Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys, giving you your favorite dishes, your favorite food. But today is Father's Day, which I want to say happy Father Day to every father, no matter if you're not my father. We want to big up all of the father them. We know we did one for Mother's Day, so we did Father's Day one today. Basically, I want to simply say to you guys, there's a lot of ideas and tips and recipe on the channel which you can make yourself a nice, lovely Father's Day dinner. Today is Father's Day. Today's the 19th of June, and remember, let's celebrate and have a wonderful time together this Sunday with Father's Day. Remember, as a father, you know what I mean, we always have to look out for one another. So guys, thank you so much for the support, and thank you for so much for your time to watch my video, leaving your comments, and we want to just big up every fathers today. I want to one more time again, happy Father's Day, every father. Love from the team from Chef Ricardo, every dad and father and young dad and young father. See you next time. Bye bye.